Friends, welcome to Avivyakti India's Future Classroom. In today's episode of Quantitative Aptitude, we will see the tips and tricks to solve the problems from time and work. Welcome to Excel in PO examination. Here is the first question on the screen that 4 men and 3 women finish a job in 6 days. 4 men and 3 women together they finish a work in 6 days. So first let there is 100% work, and since they finish the work in 6 days, they do 100 by 6% of work in a day. And 5 men and 7 women can do a same work in 4 days. It means 5 men and 7 women they do the work in 4 days. It means in one day they do 100 by 4% of the work in one day. Now here if you multiply by 6 to the other side, you will get 24m plus 18 women, that will be equal to 100% work in a day. It means 24 men and 18 women can do 100% work in one day. Similarly, if you multiply by 4 to the other side, you will get it 20 men plus 28 women, they together complete 100% work in one day. Since 24 men and 18 women and 20 men and 28 women can finish 100% work in a one day, it means these two are equal. So equating this, that 24 men plus 18 women, 24 men plus 18 women is equal to 20 men plus 28 women, and solving this you get that 1 man is equal to 2.5 women. But instead of doing these stages, if you look at these equations, you will see that 4 men are less and that 4 men are replaced by 10 women. It means what? The 4 men are equal to 10 women, and therefore 1 man is equal to 2.5 women. You can get it here only. And if you replace this 1 man by 2.5 women in equation number 2 or equation number 1, then you will get it as 50 women plus 28 women they can do 100% work in one day. And since this becomes 78 women, it means 78 women can do 100% work in one day. Now we have asked that how long will one man and one woman take to finish the work. So one man and one woman, it means what? 3.5 women. So how long 3.5 women will take to finish the work? Since 78 women can finish it in one day, so 3.5 women can finish in how many days? So we divide 78 by 3.5 and we get it as 22 days and 2.2 by 7 days. So 27 integer 2 by 7 days will be required to finish a work in one day if one man and one woman is working. Here that Raju can do a piece of work in 10 days, Vicky in 12 days and Tinku in 15 days. They all start the work together, but Raju leaves after 2 days and Vicky leaves 3 days before the work is completed. In how many days the work is completed? Now Raju is working for 10 days to complete the work. Vicky, he works for 12 days to complete the work, and Tinku works for 15 days to finish the work. Let there is a 100% work. Then in one day, Raju will finish 100 by 10% of the work, that is 10%. Vicky will finish in one day, that is 100 by 12, and so it is 8.33%. And Tinku can finish 100 by 15, that is 6.33% in a day. Now look at the conditions. That Raju leaves after 2 days means for the first 2 days Raju, Vicky and Tinku, all three together, they work for 2 days. Then Vicky also leaves 3 days before the work. It means for the last 3 days, first 2 days, after 2 days Raju left, then Vicky left, then who is working there? Tinku is working for the last 3 days. So Tinku alone works for the last 3 days. It means there is a work for 2 days, there is a work for 3 days, and 5 days work is already there. So your answer should be more than 5. So if there is a chance to choose the option from the given options, you need not to solve it further. And this in between period, who worked? Only Vicky and Tinku, they worked, and this period we do not know. So for first 2 days Raju, Vicky and Tinku, all the three worked. So their one day's work will be what? Raju plus Vicky plus Tinku, they work together for 2 days. In one day they work 25%, 10 plus 8.33 plus 6.33. So in 2 days they finish a 50% of work. Now for the last 3 days only Tinku works. Tinku finish a work of 6.33% in a day. So Tinku will finish how much of work in 3 days? That is 8.33 multiplied by 3, and that is uh, sorry, 6.33 multiplied by 3, and that is equal to 20% of the work. It means 50 and 20, that is 70% of work is completed, and how much is left? That is 30% of work is left. That is 70% work is completed on first 2 days and last 3 days. Now the 30% work is left for Vicky and Tinku. So Vicky and Tinku, they together work for 1 day and finish how much of work? Vicky and Tinku, 8.33 plus 6.33, and that is equal to 15%. So in 1 day they together finish the work of 15%. So how many days will they take to finish 30% of work? Of course they will take 2 days. So first 2 days Vicky and Tinku are taking 2 days, and here Tinku alone taking 3 days. So all together they need 2 plus 2 plus 3, that is 7 days. So the work will be completed in 7 days. Next question is A, B and C can do a work in 8 days, 16 days and 24 days respectively. They all begin together. A continues to work till it is finished. C leaves off 2 days and B 1 day before the completion of work. In what time is the work finished? Now see here, C leaves 2 days before the completion of the work. A, B and C are working together, but C leaves 2 days before the completion of the work. It means on the day one day before the completion of the work, only A plus B works, and then on the last day, means 1 day before the completion of the work, B also leaves. So on the last day, who works? Only A works. So on the day before the completion of work, A and B work together. On the last day, B also leaves the job, and who works on the last day? Only A works for the last day, and we do not know this period. We have to find this period. So on these 2 days, how much work is completed, that we will calculate first. So A finishes the work in 8 days. Let there be 100% of work, and therefore A finishes the work in 1 day. That will be 100 by 8, and 100 by 8, it means 12.5% of work A finishes in 1 day. Now B finishes the work in 16 days. So in 1 day B can finish 100 by 16, that is 6.25% of the work is completed in 1 day. C finishes it in 24 days. So in 1 day C will complete 100 by 24% of the work, and 100 by 24%, it means what? 4.17%. So for a day, 1 day before the completion of the work, A works, and a day before that work, A and B work. So we will find A plus B's work in one day. So A plus B's work will be what? 12 plus 16, and so it will be equal to 12.5 plus 6.25, and that will be 19% of the work approximately. On the last day A only work, so A's one day's work, that will be equal to what? It is 12.5%. It means approximately it is 13% of work. And so on the last 2 days, the completion of work is 32%. And since the 32% work is completed out of 100%, how much work is left? 68% of the work is left, and that is completed by A, B and C together. Now the A, B and C, they finish the work in one day, that is equal to what? 12.5 plus 6.25 plus 4.17, and that is equal to 23%. Now how much work is left? 68% work is left, and they work 23% in one day. Therefore 23 into 3, that will be equal to 69%, and it means the 68% work they do in 3 days. So this one day, and these 3 days together will be 5 days, and therefore they will take 5 days to finish the work. Friends, here are a few suggestions. Just click on the link to watch the videos: allegations, banking and other abbreviations, and a mixed bag means the questions from the different previous years papers are discussed here. Current affairs questions, alphabet series, and simple interest part 3. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please don't forget to like it by pressing thumbs up button. Do not forget to share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel so that you will get updates right into your mailbox. And finally, visit us at www.excelinpoexam.in for more details. Thank you very much.